Hi guys, I am in California. Dropped my lens cap. I'm actually packing today because I'm going to Shasta tonight with my mom and my sisters for my mom's birthday. We bought her a little weekend getaway. I had the best night of sleep last night and I wanted to share this with you guys. A lot of people find my videos because I made a video a long time about living with anxiety and things that I do to kind of manage that. There's a lot of things I do to manage anxiety. I try to stay really healthy, exercise, go for a lot of walks, spend a lot of time outside, drink a lot of water, eat fruits and vegetables, all that stuff that we all know that we should do. I'm not perfect at it, but I do it as much as I can. Wanted to share something else with you that's been really helping me lately with anxiety and just dealing with everyday life. I've just been so busy. Everyone is. I feel like sometimes I just get overwhelmed with how busy I am. What's really been helping me is these gummies. Which ones do I take? I take these ones at night. So this company, Premium Jane, sent these to me. I picked them out. I picked out these THCO gummies. They're strawberry banana flavor. They're actually really good. Picked these ones out for sleep. They have 25 milligrams of vegan THC in each one. So I actually take only half of one before I'm gonna go to bed. Actually have been helping me sleep so much better. I'm sleeping really deeply, which is amazing. And then I also have these ones that they sent me. I just wanted to try to see what it was like. And these are Delta 9 gummies. They're not supposed to make you sleepy. They're supposed to make you just really calm and relaxed and happy. It says you can take 1 to 2 of these. The first time I tried these, I took 2. It was a lot, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really sensitive. I've been taking 1 or half of one after I get off work. I especially like to take one after a rough day at work. So that's what's up with me. I have a discount code for these if you guys want to try them. The discount code will be in the description box and I'll link the ones that I've tried for you guys if you want to try them too, if you're into that kind of thing. So yeah, I just wanted to share that because that's what's been really helping me lately. It's been so long since I made a video. I feel like I'm still kind of getting used to it. I am going to pack now for my trip to Shasta because we're leaving tonight and I just did my laundry and I just have to put everything in my suitcase. I'm gonna go get my nails done today. This is what they look like right now. They're really grown out. I love this design. I never want to take these off, but they're getting way too long. I'm just gonna get the same shape, but just a little bit shorter. I'm gonna get a new design. I actually might just go with plain color. I don't even know yet. I need to figure that out as well. And my appointment's in an hour and a half. Cool. Yeah, I am just gonna start packing. I'll show you guys what I pack. Let's adjust this camera. Let's see. I have a 35mm lens on my camera that I'm filming this on, so we're gonna make this work. So this is my suitcase. We are going to this house. I don't know if we're gonna be doing any like walking, so I'm bringing some activewear, and then I'm bringing like a lot of comfy clothes because I think we're just gonna be hanging out at the house. And then I'm bringing some swimsuits because there's a pool there. I'm so excited to go swimming. I'm so excited. It's gonna be really, really warm, so it'll be really fun. I've packed some toiletries. I'm wearing this outfit, obviously, that I have on right now because we're leaving tonight. I'm just wearing like these wide leg jeans, which are super comfy, and this top, which is also super comfy. I'm gonna wear my Birkenstocks today. This is like my normal outfit for like when I'm not taking photos and I'm not working. I just like to be comfy, you know? Why is my hair doing that? It looks so funky. It's like, here's some tops. I'm back. Go get my nails done. I got this like little slanted French tips. I love them. They're really cool. A little bit more simple than what I had last time. I finished packing. I just put all my laundry in here that I had drying outside, and then I packed my pillow and my eye mask. That's what this is. I try to always bring my pillow, and it's a trip that I can fit my pillow in my suitcase, but I always bring my eye mask. And then I packed all my clothes here, and of course I packed my gummies. I just packed some summer outfits. It's just a short trip, but now I'm at the point where I have to pack my camera, so I'm gonna have to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was fun for you like it was for me. I hope it was entertaining. If you guys want a discount on the gummies, if you're interested in getting those, like I said, there's a discount link down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!